Welcome back to web development tutorial series. This is the 11th tutorial. In this tutorial I'm gonna show how to include the locations where the article is published. So let me go back and click upon revert to draft in order that the published one will be reverted into draft. When it becomes draft, please click upon that. It becomes the way it looks before it is published. So please go to location, click upon the arrow button over here. As this article is written in New York, let me just insert New York City, New York, in order that the system will recognize and it will work automatically and shows the location of the place where I published. So just click upon the lens. Okay, over here we can see New York, USA. Okay, every time you make a change on your web page, don't forget to go to more options and save it. And if you want to preview, that's up to you. If not, just go to publish and don't forget to confirm. Okay, we can see it is published. We can see from here whether it worked or not. Please go to the view and it is uploaded. Here we can see it works. The location where the article is published is shown significantly over here. Okay, this is all for this tutorial. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you again in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching my videos.